8 divided by 1 over 8, then times 8. We can easily cancel this 8 and this 8. So we have just 8 divided by 1, and this is equal to 8. But this answer is not correct because multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. Then we have to do this multiplication. Okay? So 8 divided by 1 over 8. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 8 times 8, and again we have here times 8. 8 times 8 gives us 64. So 64 times 8. And this is equal to 8 times 4 gives us 32. Okay. 8 times 4 gives us 32. And 8 times 6 gives us 48. And 48 plus 3 gives us 51. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 512. The correct answer is 512.